How to add Capital One virtual card to Apple Pay. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily add a Capital One virtual card to Apple Pay. The process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. To add a Capital One virtual card to Apple Pay, you can use the Wallet app on your iPhone. You can simply go ahead and open up the Wallet app, then select Add Credit or Debit Card or tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen. Then you'll get the option to add card to your Apple Pay, as you can see here on the screen. Simply what you'll have to do is enter in name and then enter in the card number and other details and follow the steps to add your card. You want to complete any authentication prompts to verify your identity. You can also add a Capital One card to Apple Pay from the Capital One mobile app. This is how you can easily add a Capital One virtual card to Apple Pay. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.